So this is Bubba. This is the horse that I've had trouble getting forward, getting go. As you see, he don't mind being motivated for food. That I've had trouble getting go, getting him to move forward. We've been tracking cows, trying to get him to just have a little more energy. And I had come up with the idea of giving him the same immune booster supplement. He's already must smell it, that Bob is on. And I talked to his owner, and she was all for the idea. So this is his first dose that he's getting today. Let's see how he takes it. You want it now? There we go. There we go. He'll figure out that he likes it. So that is his first dose. And I give it to him about every third day. And we'll see if it makes any difference. I mean, it made a huge difference on Bob. I just recorded a video with him, and he's like a totally different horse. So we'll see if it makes any difference, and see how he does on it. This is Bubba. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. Until next time, thank you for watching. All right.